ko black car ebi mo ko black galaxy opo lo that lo nini na ya ti ko no ya chop ya Kotoko last season ya fire 3 points it's like the second like you have broadcast you must show
Promise radio
you person Kotoko for who say football it's not about name it's about quality you are dealing with quality.
Day 11, I have the head coach of Nations Football Club right here. It's Asante Kotoko 0 Nations Football Club 2. Coach Kasim Mingolo Kanse is right here with me. Congratulations, coach. How are you feeling this afternoon?
I'm feeling great.
What is making you feel great?
Look at everyone you have to enjoy. So look at it.
Yeah.
We are practicing.
Beating your rivals is making you your senior is making you feeling great.
I'm happy the boys
You've kept 8 clean sheets this season. You have a solid defense and your forwards are also scoring. What is the secret, Coach Kasim Mingolo can say?
You have training, determination, and the boys are prepared. They are prepared to learn. I told you it's work in progress. They are prepared to learn.
Any lessons from today's game beating Kumasi Asante Kotoko?
No, they came with the same system that we were playing. They also played the same system. You can't play because I've been playing over 25 years now. I started playing more I know the weakness and the strength of the system. So I always take advantage of the system.
I will leave you, but before you go, your defender Razak Simpson's performance at the Black Stars level was so phenomenal. What do you have to say about his performance?
I would say, I know he can do better. And I'm happy for him. I didn't
Bless. Prove a point.
Did you meet him today?
Okay. Those who replace him did the job for us.
All right, so Coach Kasim Mingolo Kanse, thanks so much. Congratulations, and also we wishing you all the best in your subsequent games. All right, so that's the head coach for Nations Football Club, Coach Kasim Mingolo Kanse is the head coach, and I have the head coach for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Dr. It's not a good sign for Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Yeah, it's I mean, especially
last season you lost 4 games and you made mention of your players. You mentioned that you don't have the quality players. Is this the same as this season?
tough luck. Down.
From the fans, they are not happy. I know you're also not happy. Are you under pressure now, Dr. Prosper Nato? Finding solution, then it means this is not the time to sack Dr. Prosper Nate Ogun. All right, so Dr. Prosper Nate Ogun is not happy, and as you can see, the fans are also not happy with their performance. This is asking. He made mention of this is not the time to this is the time to fix the problem. And so I said, so then it means this is not the time to sack Dr. Prosper Nate Ogun, and he walked off surprisingly. So it means
General, let's take I think that Kumasi Asante Kotoko, their supporters should come in mind that now they are building a new team. How many players did they sack last season? How many players came in? This season they registered just 22 players. So to me, the problem is not from the coach. If they think the problem is from the coach, it's not from the coach.
So who is the problem?
The problem is that they have entirely a new team that they are building. We've seen teams that have suffered it. House of Folk, Accra Lions, Legon Cities, Dreams FC have all passed through this, and I think that this is the time for Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
But Naji, do you remember last season? And they made mention that it's because they don't. No, it means his boys are good.
No, he has the quality, but the fact that you have the individual brilliance does not mean that you have a team. Now, the telepathy in the team that needs to be worked out. I'm talking about the cohesiveness for them to play as one unit. That is what is missing. So to me, supporters should give Prosper a good chance. Because at the end of the day, they should give him time. And lo and behold, the management cannot sack him. He was called by His Majesty Otunfo, come and help my team. So to me, they are just agitating, but the coach will still be there.
All right, okay, so Phil, we're wrapping up from the Brazilian Clay Sports Stadium. Your reaction